Hello friends, welcome to another part of the video. So we're still on basic operators, and today we're going to look into compound assignment operators. So as we've been doing all along, the first thing that I'm going to do is just to define this operator, compound assignment operator. Hopefully I wrote it well. So the first question is, what is it? Is it a unary operator? Is it a unary operator? Is it a binary operator? Or is it a ternary operator? Or does it act as both? Okay, let us learn this thing. Like C, Swift provides compound assignment operators that combine assignment with other operation. One example is the additions assignment operator. Well, what I'm learning here is that we're going to have a lot of different kinds of compound assignments. For example, we may consider this idea here. Let me do this. 3 is greater or equal to 4. Let's see what that's this right here is a compound assignment operator. No, but then this is not an assignment operator, because this is a logical operator, and we know what an assignment operator is. So a compound assignment operator, which means we have a finite number of them. I don't know if divide equal to work as well. Multiply, such things. I think we have these 4 here. Because we have the 4 basic arithmetic operators, and then I think we have 4 basic compound assignment operators. For example, we can do this. We can say var, and then I'll just call it test is equal to 3. Oh well, it's not going to do anything right now because var is already not assigned anything. Okay, so I can do this for now, because the reason why it's not working is because this variable here, it's empty. So what am I incrementing, or what am I adding to it? It's like I'm adding a 0 with a 4, which won't make sense. Cool. But I can then come and say test is equal to 5. This is acceptable. It's not a problem. And then I can print test. As we can see, we're good now. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. I can also do something like this, which should give me a -1. As we can see that, and also something like this, which should give me maybe a 20. Cool. And also something like this. I don't know what this is going to give me. Okay, it gives me a 0. It returns a 0. And I think part of the reason why it returns a 0 is because this is, what is this? An integer. But then now it should return something more meaningful. As we can see, it returns 0.8. Because now it's inferred to no longer an integer, but then now we went back to being an integer. So let's see if I'm correct by this. Like C, okay, we read the statement here. One example is the addition assignment operator. Okay, addition assignment operator. The expression a plus 2 is a shorthand for a is equal to a plus 2. That's pretty much what it means here. Effectively, the addition and assignment are combined into one operator that operates both tasks at the same time. Okay, I like this. So I guess using the same time, let me read this again. Effectively, the addition and the assignment operator are combined into one operator, okay, that performs both tasks at the same time. Well, that makes sense. I think it's clear. Note, the compound assignment operator doesn't return a value. Operators don't return a value. For example, you can't write let B is equal to A. Okay, I see, but we can do something like this, because we understand they don't return a value. I think what I'm liking here, test let's do test2 is equal to 3, 4 is greater than 3. It's going to return a false, and because it returns a false, then if I print test2, I should get the answer of false. Those are some of the things that we do, because this here returns a value, but this does not return a value. I think that's one of the things that we're learning here. But then what we're learning is that look at the error that it's giving us here. It's that left side of mutating operator is immutable. Literals are not mutable. So essentially, the error here is that this does not return a value, but the error that is given us is slightly different. And I find it interesting, especially about understanding things, is that when we understand them well, we will know how to pretty much tackle some of these errors that we're seeing here. Let's see. Cool. Okay, I think we're done. For more information about Swift Standard Library C, let's see what this is going to take us to. See, operator declarations. Logical NOT. Okay. Compound assignment operator. As we can see, these are comparison, procedure, group. They're not compound assignment operators. Now I'm looking for compound assignment operators. Are we going to find them? I wonder where they're hidden. All these return a value. That's one of the things that we know about them. They return a value. So an assignment operator does not return a value. So essentially, everything that has the word assignment inside of it, we know it does not return a value. Maybe that's one of the things that we can say about this. The operate, I don't know why it's on italics. It does not return a value. Oh, I think the reason is this here. What is it? Oh, is it this? Something did that italics. I think it's this. Okay. Oh yeah, that was what made it. Oh, it's this asterisk here that made this thing become italics. Okay. The operator does not return a value. That's it. And whether is it a, obviously it's a binary operator, because ultimately, and I'm reasoning this, okay, how do I'm reasoning this because we know that the expression a plus 2 equal to is a shorthand for a plus 2. So, and we know the addition here is a binary operator. So those are some of the things that I'm inferring it to being that way. So I think from here we can just close it. I don't know if there's anything else. We'll go to comparison operators and see, because what we do know, I think, like I said, the nice thing is that when you understand these, it makes better sense. For example, we know an assignment operator does not return a value. But now when we could talk about a comparison operator, we're gonna get a different story. Obviously we are inside arithmetic operators. That's where we are. Oh, basic operators, arithmetic operators, do they return a value or not? Okay, this does not return a value. It's an assignment operator. These two do return a value. All these basic or standard arithmetic operators return a value. Those are some of the things that we do see about them. The reason why I say so is because we can do something like this. It does return a value, and for that reason, it can work. But this obviously does not return a value. Anyway, thanks everybody. Thanks for tuning in, and see you soon. Bye.